Hi, I'm Michael, and I work as a Customer Success Manager at ReasonLabs. ReasonLabs provides enterprise-grade protection for all your personal devices. You're welcome to visit our website to discover more information about our products and services. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to upgrade SaferWeb to SaferWeb Premium subscription plan. As you can see, SaferWeb is already installed on the device. SaferWeb ensures a safe browsing experience, blocking unwanted advertisements, trackers, and suspicious URLs. In order to upgrade to SaferWeb Premium subscription, which includes additional features for your security and privacy protection, follow these steps. Click on the Upgrade button on the lower left corner of your screen. A new window will pop up with different subscription options for you to choose. Select the plan, and then click on the button to continue. Follow the steps in the shopping cart to complete the subscription process. Immediately after completing your order, a confirmation email will be sent to you with your purchase details and your initial login credentials. If you're having trouble at this stage, please contact our support team at the link below or directly on your SaferWeb client. They will be happy to help you with any issues. If you didn't receive our confirmation email, please check your spam or trash folders. Please log in using the credentials you received in the email by going to the settings menu on the top right corner and clicking on the sign in option. Fill in your username and password on the window that appears. Your subscription should now be successfully upgraded to SaferWeb Premium and all the premium features available. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.